Hello, did you order Uber?
Hi, yeah.
Hi. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad, not too shabby. So, what's your name?
Brittany?
Yes. Where are you off to? Can you frame the destination, please?
Yeah, I'm just going to meet my friends for lunch.
You're going to Whole Foods, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty. So, you're not too bad looking, I have to say.
Oh, thank you.
Let's just say you're pretty on the eyes. I don't like to eat candy, but you are like eye candy. Are you into cheesy pickup lines? Just listen to these. Let's see if it works. You don't have to go on a date with me if you don't want to. Obviously, it's not required. But if I could rearrange the alphabet, I'd put you and I together. I got a better one. Are you a parking ticket because you've got fine written all over you?
Nice.
You like that one?
Yeah.
You want a high five for that?
Sure.
All right. And one more. You got a good one right here, okay? Do you believe in love at first sight, or should I drive past you again? Get it? Because Uber?
Yep. That's great.
What do you think?
Yeah. No.
How about this? You know, I got a back seat. How about you and I go to the back seat? Get it? Because it's a car and it's the back seat. Okay, I got one more. I got a better one, okay? What are you doing after this Uber ride? Let's say you and I go back to my house and have a little fun. What do you think about that pickup line? You like that one?
I don't know if I really understand that one.
What do you mean? It's a pickup line. You want to hang out later or not? Come on.
Oh.
What are you, slow? What are you, mental?
Isn't the pickup line supposed to be that it's picks you up? Like.
Yeah, come hang out with me. Come on.
Okay.
What are you, a weirdo or something? Come hang out with me. You want to hang out?
I can't. I have to go to lunch with my friends.
You don't want to hang out with me? Why do you look so nervous? Sit back, relax. You got your seatbelt on? Come on, put on a seatbelt. It's going to be a long ride. We got 45 minutes. We'll get to know each other a little bit. Okay. Let's play 21 questions, all right? I'll go first. When did you lose your virginity?
Oh, wow. That's a pretty invasive question there. 15. You?
What? 15?
I was an early bloomer.
I just lost it last year.
Oh, okay. How was that?
Yeah, could be better.
Yeah.
She said I couldn't perform well. I got performance anxiety, you know.
Well, yeah. The first time, everyone's always nervous.
Well, it's been like that every time since, but
you're just learning.
Maybe I gotta go to see a doctor or something. Okay, I got one more last pickup line for you, okay?
Okay.
All right. What happened? How about this? Why did the chicken cross the road?
To get to the other side.
Good. Now, why did the dinosaur cross the playground?
I don't know.
To get to the other slide. Get it? Now, why did you walk into my bedroom? So you can get to the other side of my bed. You like that one?
Great. Lovely.